How to change time in eFootball. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily change your match time in eFootball. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you're logged into your account on eFootball. And then the next step is to start a match. So I'm just going to tap on the match button at the bottom left corner. Once you get here, you can start any kind of match you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and start an exhibit, or I'm just going to start a quick match. You could do whatever you want to play, and then from here what you can do is start matchmaking settings. I'm going to go ahead and continue with an exhibition match. I'm going to select a random team, tap on next, select a random away team, and once you have done that, you can find the general settings for the game right here, like your pitch condition, time, season, weather. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this time option. It's right now set to night, so I'm just going to set this to day and then tap on OK. Now go back and then tap on continue. On this next option, you'll be able to see your team, and right below the jersey or your shirt, you can find the settings option. And there further, you'll find the tuning settings, so tap on it. Here on the match settings, you're able to set your match time. So it will be 6 minutes, so you can make it as low as 5 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. So let's say if I want my match to be 10 minutes, I'm going to set this and tap on done. It will convert the 90 minutes in game with the real time 10 minutes. Now go back, and then you can just start the match and play. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.